Welcome back. Today we're doing What Are the Odds Part 2. And we don't have a lot of time to film this, so it'll probably be like 1 or 2, but it'll probably be really dumb and humiliating, like last time. So let's just get right into it. What's our question?
Roulette.
Frick.
Question. What's our debt?
You ever dead? We have to walk around the entire shops, and someone has to walk around really stupidly the entire time.
I mean, I'm down.
That's easy.
Honestly.
That's easy. I'll do that.
Okay, so who do we want to...
You choose who starts. Like, who has to say what they will do it out of 20 or whatever it is. So you have to say you choose the number to do it out of, and then
Alright.
you can.
I'm thinking 7.
1 out of 7.
1 out of 7.
So every even number, if you get it on 6, 4, 2, it's me. But then if we get to 1, we just keep going back.
Yeah.
So Right, ready?
3,
2, 1, 4. You have to do it.
Alright, that was quick. Just straight off the bat, I'm doomed. I have to walk stupidly around the shops. Let me think of a really good walk to do this with. So we've got to walk from here to Kmart. So we'll start at the Christmas tree. Yeah, from here to Kmart. That is the entire shop. Do we have time for that though? If we want to do multiple, I think we should keep it Kmart. I think from the tree to Kmart. It's also the most people are from here to Kmart. So we'll be getting the most stupid looks.
I bet it's just really stupid.
Yeah.
Wait, I was filming. Did it? Oh, okay. Sorry guys, I didn't realize I stopped filming. Yeah, I mean, you haven't missed, this is what he's been doing for the bit. Oh, you should start hopping too a little bit. This is... You know what, you need to speed it up a little bit too, I think, sir. Speed it up, just go like...
Oh, okay.
People are giving like the most weirdest looks too. Because I'm filming. They're like, oh, what are you filming?
What are you doing?
I'm not filming you guys. Don't worry. You're not the main characters. I'm not filming you.
I'm clear.
It's just moonwalking backwards. It's so stupid, man. Oh god. Oh, for this last bit, make it super stupid. For like this last stretch to this tables, do it as dumb as you can.
Hold on, we need to do something clever.
Oh, okay.
Throw that in there. Okay.
That's a good little like...
What are we going to do?
Yeah, we'll go on to Kmart. We'll go on to Kmart.
Okay, we'll do it in Kmart.
We'll actually do it inside Kmart. Is that it for the first bit?
Yeah.
That went pretty well.
That was fun. I feel enlightened now, I think. I'm not too sure how I feel. I don't know, that was over pretty quick. We didn't even get through one set of numbers and immediately I'm doing stupid crap right down.
We get it in the first part. What is that about?
Alright, we're safe from bras and panties this time around because we're not doing any repeats, so they're fresh new challenges.
I always get like, what? Someone's gonna come and be like, oh, you can't film in here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, 100%.
I don't care if it works.
Okay, that was fun and interesting, and for some reason Liam got more weird looks than me.
Yeah, I don't know how that works.
So for the next one, I suppose you came up with this one. Whoever gets this one has to go somewhere randomly in Kmart of whoever wins, I guess, is choosing. Get down on all fours and meow, really, I guess, not too loud that it's going to alert someone.
Just one like loud.
One big loud meow. Yeah.
Okay, that's not too bad. I'd say 1 out of 8.
1 out of 8.
Yeah, so every odd number is you.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
7.
1 out of 7. 3, 2, 1,
4.
5. Okay, 1 out of 6.
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
2.
1.
Oh, you're getting close.
Okay, out of 5. Out of 5.
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
3. Oh, I was gonna go 4 originally too. That's crazy.
Oh, it's out of 4, so it's...
Okay.
Yeah, no. 3, 2, 1,
2. You were right at the meow.
Choose a spot for me.
Alright, let's have a little look around. To choose where Liam gets to get down on all fours and give a meow to the whole world of the shop. I pick right here on the golden bar.
Oh my god. So many
Oh, this is so dumb. You ready?
Wait, which one?
The golden bar right in the middle.
Get on all 4s.
On all fours.
That was good enough. I don't know what that face was. I was in that. That was just stupid.
You should have seen everyone that just turned and looked.
Yeah, that was actually louder than I was expecting.
Everyone over there turned and looked.
There was like a worker too. And
Oh.
she was actually pretty hard. She was great. That's all I lost, right?
Oh, that was funny. Oh, we need the bras and panties. You getting flashbacks? Is you giving flashbacks to last time?
I'm not even looking at that.
Does this give you flashbacks? Is it PTSD from last time? Wasn't it right here as well?
Was it here or was it at?
Oh wait. Oh, we did it at the Hyperdome. This is a whole different store.
Like silver section.
Yeah, it's still the same. Oh look, toe chompers. Look, a toe chomper.
Just gonna wait outside.
Ha 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 ha.
Wait, lower it a bit? No, I'm joking.
Oh,
Joking.
meow. Meow. That was so stupid. It was such a weird meow too. I just find it funny that everyone turned and looked at you. Why are they looking at you and you today? Like the first one, even though I was the one doing it, they look at you.
Maybe it's because it was loud.
It may be.
Whereas you were just walking.
I was just doing something stupid.
But everyone would have like, looked at me and then.
I should have let out a big grunting noise. Unleash my inner Unga.
Well, I can assure you, if you lose this next one, people are going to be looking at you.
Oh no.
Let me just say that.
Oh no.
I'll tell you what it is.
Yeah, let's find a spot and we'll do this last one for today. What?
And for some reason, everyone's been looking at me. So I can assure you, if you lose this next one, you'll be wondering.
Oh no!
What are the odds? You sit at a table with a lot of people around. You look on your phone, that your phone's off, and you start laughing and going like, yes, yes, and laughing.
Oh,
And
no.
like, there's something really cool on you.
Oh no!
You have to do it really loud to pull it into that. What are the odds? Remember if I was that?
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to think of a good number to go with. Alright, let's go 11.
11. So every even number I is made. Ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1,
10.
Ooh. Alright, let's do that. Out of 10. 3, 2, 1,
8.
Ooh. Out of 9. 3, 2, 1,
1.
What I said 8. I said that. Out of 8. 3, 2, 1,
7. Whoa. When you keep going doing the one I just did.
7. 3, 2, 1,
4.
5.
Wait, who's it on?
Out of 6, that's me.
Okay, so this one's you.
You said the same number.
Okay.
Out of
3.
6.
Yep. 3, 2, 1, 5.
Out of 5.
3, 2, 1, 4. No! The thing is, I'm gonna have to use an imaginary phone because we're filming.
That's gonna make it worse.
So, if you guys didn't hear that, he lost it. So, meaning he's about to pretend like he's watching a really funny YouTube video and he's going to be like laughing really loud, like going, yes! Like just being too excited for YouTube video. And it's going to echo because as you can see, the roof is really high.
So echoey here.
Like literally so echoey. So, I'm just going to sit right here. And you have to do it for, I'll count, 15 seconds.
I can do that.
Alright, do you want me to count you down?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that orange is great. Look how orange it is. Those gardeners have really been producing the biggest plants of the year. And those pumpkins, so girthy.
Wait, finish it off with a really loud laugh. You're like,
Oh my goodness. This orange is... Oh, it's beautiful. It's a big orange juice. Hey guys, guess what? Something's about to happen. Ha ha ha! Well, that was ultimately rather stupid. I do want to say on the way here I saw a car that should not be parked where it was. I don't think it was intentional though. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this another episode of What Are the Odds? It's been many months since the last one. I'm just kind of testing the waters here if you guys do want to see more or not. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this dumb compilation of stuff. Yeah, just trying to keep these things so we're not disturbing people, I guess. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more, I guess let me know. It's not really to do with the bush at all, any of this. So I don't know if you guys really want to see it, but if you do, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that'll be it for today. See ya. What are we doing? I don't know. That's a good question. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I don't know why.
Yeah, why are people looking at us? We're not doing anything weird, right? Right? Yeah, we're not. This is normal. This is normal. This is normal. This is normal. I can't get a good grip.
There's people coming.
Are we ready? I'll go in front. Yep. Yep.
Alright, are we ready? Let's go. Ooh!
Wait, what did you just do? It went everywhere. Oh, that sun's a bit dark. I mean bright. What? Oh, yum! Mmm. Oh, juicy snack. Mmm. I thought someone was watching me. No, it was just Barbie. Oh, yum! Yummy! Oh, yum! Delicious. The sickness is showing. Oh, wait, did you actually eat it? Oh, yum! Yum! Wait, that's great. It's healthy.
I can't even chew it.
It's just trees. Are you actually chewing it?
I can't chew it.
Oh, yum. Oh, honestly, peak.
Oh, I can't even chew it. It's like really hard.